Cleaning the MudMixer. Thoroughly cleaning the MudMixer will take less than 10 minutes and will ensure the longevity of the unit. First, remove the auger covers on both the hopper and the chute. Next, use the provided spray nozzle to thoroughly clean the unit. Alternate between the hopper and chute until the water flows clean. Don't forget to spray and wipe those hard-to-reach spots, but be careful not to directly spray water onto the electric motor. It's best to wipe this area down instead. Once the unit is clean, replace the auger cover and store in a safe place until the next use.